village, yung may mga para siyang market na mga kung ano mga tinda ng mga organic, at saka mga homemade foods. Right, Holly, we're going there to see what we can find. No, we're going to Salcedo village. 5 more sleep. We're going to Bicol. 5. Yeah, there's a swimming pool. Look.
Mom, is there a different pool?
Ayun o, swimming pool siya na.
Mom, is there a different pool?
Kita ang ano.
Oh, is there a different pool?
Where?
Somewhere.
Yeah, there's a lot of swimming pool. Dito na kayo sa Salcedo Market. Ayan. Magkano ang kilo sa lansones? 700. Ang sarap. Matamis na siya, ate. Bangkok? Bangkok daw yun. Sad, do you wanna push? Sad, yes? No, later. There's more here. Come here. Boys, come here. There's more here. Watch people cross slowly. Do you want to try that, Bev? It's banana. Is it banana bread? Try banana bread, Bev. Akin na. Masarap. Magkano? Is it masarap? Ang slice? Yes. Later, Bev, we can come back. We don't have to pay.
Oh, we'll come back.
We'll come back. Because we're just gonna go around.
Masarap.
Bibili kayo ng banana bread. Masarap daw. Masarap. So, ang daming prutas. Wow, 150 a kilo. Look at this, Beb. I know. Saturday lang to, kuya. Every Saturday lang. So every Saturday, this one, Beb.
Pag-dilaw, cream. Pag-dilaw na, inog na yan.
Fruit salad juice? No? You're sweating, Beb.
They went.
Oh, no. Did you bring any?
No.
Oh, taho. Oh, this is good, kuya. Taho. Taho yan, di ba, kuya? Magkano?
20, 40 at saka 50.
Okay, yung maliit lang. duck? Oh, Chinese chicken. Ang itim mo, Chinese chicken daw. Wow, look at this one. What's this, Kuya? Crab. Ah, that's lobster, honey.
Lobster, fresh water.
Oh, fresh water
Lobster.
Oh, fresh water.
Ate, saan nakakabili ng towel? Wala. Wala. Pawis na siya. Oh. Walang towel na. Where's your towel? I thought you brought your... Yeah, we're gonna buy towel. You can buy toys later, okay? Yeah. No. Here. We're gonna buy towel first. Come on. Wait for mommy. Sarap ng towel ko.
100 lang, sir.
Maliit, kuya? 50?
20. Ay, yung maliit po.
Yes.
20.
Ay, isa maliit lang po, please.
Yung medium 40.
Ay, yung medium na lang din. Can I borrow your money, please? Wait for the guy.
Thank you.
Utangan ko si Shaq.
Ilan?
Okay, wait.
20 para hindi naman nakakano.
Taho. Yeah, later I'll give you more money, okay? Mommy will borrow this first, okay? We're gonna buy taho, okay? Yeah, later I'll pay you back.
Isa lang.
You have to pay for this sack, okay? 20 pesos.
40 isa.
Okay. Pwedeng may takip ka, kuya, please. And then extra kutsara, kuya. Pahingin na rin ang kutsara, please. Thank you. Okay. Sack, you pay.
20 lang po.
20 pesos, sack.
Only 20.
Thank you, sack. Okay, let's go. Thank you. I'll put that in your packet now. Come on. Quick, sack. Where's Daddy? Okay, dear. Zachary, come here. Sarah? Come on. Hi, magkano po, ate?
Chicken curry, ma'am. Different lang.
Zachary! Stay there with Daddy. Ano yan, ate? Champ tuyo?
Champurado with tuyo.
Oh, champurado with tuyo. Wow. Champ tuyo. 50 pesos yun. Ang sarap.
Yes, ma'am.
So, paano itsura niya, ate?
Ito, ma'am.
Tapos may tuyo na siya.
Yes, ma'am.
Asan yung tuyo?
Kasama na po siya sa suman, ma'am.
Itry ko? Ay, salamat. Oo nga. Champurado with tuyo. Masarap. So, blend na yung tuyo, ate.
Pinaghirapan talaga namin.
Si Jan, sandali lang. Beb! Sarap ng tuyo. Champurado with tuyo. What's this? Huh? Wow. Lechon. We should have come here earlier, honey. Wow. Ayan, lechon. Magkano? 1/2 kilo is 400. We stay here for lunch. Let's get hungry. Hanggang anong oras to, ate? Hanggang anong oras? 2 o'clock? Nagbukas kayo? Anong oras po? 6. Honey, they open 6 o'clock in the morning. Wait, babe.
Small pieces.
Sweating.
That's it. Done it like that.
Yeah, but I want to drink. I want to eat.
You want to walk?
I want to buy lanzones. Come here first, honey. Well, you know. Tulog na tulog si Holly. Pawis na pawis din. Okay, get some toys.
I'll go and get it for
Wait for us, honey. Where's your money?
Oi. What are you getting?
Wait. Hey, you have to ask. You have to ask the lady. Magkano yan, ate? Yung bisikleta raw? $180 raw. You don't have money much, kuya. Are you gonna play with that one? It's have a small
It's got all small pieces.
pieces, kuya. It's not good for Holly. You have to get something
Back.
Ay, how about this one, kuya? This is cool. Plastic balloon. This is cool. I want this. Magkano ang isa nito, ate? Here, Zachary, I'll show you. Okay, pahinga ang 3.20. Yung plastic balloon, maganda to.
Gusto nila yan, pagkakita.
Pag nakita nila to. I'll show you, kuya. Fidget spinner. Magkano fidget spinner?
200, ma'am yan.
Honey, they want the fidget spinner, honey. 200.
You only got 100.
You only have 100.
Zach.
Zach, fidget spinner, Zach.
This one's 150. The small bird.
Zach! Ano sasabihin mo? Where's your money? Give it to daddy. Get that money, Hanson.
Come and sell.
Kuya!
What's your size, Zachary? Get a fidget spinner.
Don't, kuya.
This one for you.
He wants a fidget spinner.
Wait.
Ah!
Oh, that's Zach. Come on.
Zach, come on! Tapos pawis na siya. Oh. You want dinosaur? Magkano yung dinosaur? 180 daw, hon.
We have also dinosaur egg.
Do you want this one or not? I don't care, but if that's what you get, it's what
Yeah,
you get.
you're not gonna have this. This is TJ, okay? I told you to get this one. So you're not gonna fight. Look at you. Power, Sonny. Pawis na siya. Ang init.
These places feel better.
Ay, ang hot. Tulog na tulog si Holly. Oh. Pawis na pawis. Tingnan mo ang pawis ni Holly. Oh. Yeah, she is. Is it good? Han, can I have? Drop. Hi boys, here. So eto, magkano 100? Magkano to?
150 ma.
150 yung maliit. Yung malaki?
275.
So sige, kuha ako ng isa nito. Pahingi pa kung isa, kuya. Try ko ulit.
Ako sige.
Masarap eh. Ano daw siya? Malunggay pesto. Wait ha, Zach, stay there please. Thank you. Thank you. Isa kuya?
Sorry siya mag ano na. Pandesal ko sa
Isa po. Kuha ko, masarap. Malunggay pesto. 200. Magkano?
275.
275. Nag-vlog ko siya. 275. Masarap ate. Magkano yung bread?
Bread po, ma'am. Pero kasi malaki yung maliit. So, 30.
How long it will last? Ah, sige. Kuha ko dito.
Isa po, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you. Tinda raw siya ng ice cream.
165.
Thank you.
We're not here anymore, but we're in grocery.
Hi. So nagtitinda ka kuya ng ano?
Tried our ice cream.
No, we haven't.
Did you guys just move here recently?
Oh no.
On holiday. Oh, great.
Yeah, holiday, yeah. Yeah, but we just live around here.
Don't forget to try it before you go back. We have Hokey Pokey. Huh? Yeah, we have Hokey Pokey.
Pokey pokey. Saan ang ano?
Get mail from Australia. Oh, the NBA works with BGG, right? Which is a company in New Zealand.
I'm gonna get one. Oh, come on. Come on. Magkano yung dalandan juice ate? 50. Malaki na siya? Okay, isa po. Alin ba mas pwedeng pa-try muna kung alin mas masarap ate? Yung dalandan or your calamansi?
Look na yan, ma.
Ate, pa-try. Konti lang po. Yung gagamitin ko ng basang ano mo, konti lang po. Ang sarap. Kunti lang muna kasi para ma-try ko. Kunti lang tayo muna. Eto, konti nito. I-try ko kung which one is my masarap. Parang pareho. Dalandan ka naman. Konti lang ate, konti lang. Agaw kalamansi ate. Mas masarap yung kalamansi. Magkano siya ate? 40? Ate
Ano ma'am? 7?
Kaya kuya lemonade. Lasing na si Oli. Zach, do you want a drink? Lemon, Zach, lemonade, oh. Okay, cool. No, 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 no. It's for baby. Come on. Come on, Zach. Bili ako ng biko. Ano ito? Biko. Caramel black. Kuchinta. Is it kuchinta? Ate? Out na? Oh, yan.
Ito na lang, mama.
Wala na. Sabi ko, wala na.
230 po ma, pero 50 po. Ano po? 2 years.
Ubus na raw. Sorry, sana kumuha na ako kanina. Akin na lang to ating dalawa. Wala na talaga, ate.
Hindi ko alam kasi dalanin lang yan sa bahay.
Benta mo na lang yan sa akin.
Ma'am, pagdating ko ng may-ari, ilang kalapin? Ewan ko ang ilan to, kasi 50 po sa isang pack. 50 pieces po. 230? Tapos 230.
Ate.
Ito yung may-ari, mama.
Siya naman may-ari.
Pag nandito na yung may-ari, nagbabayad lang sa ano po.
Ang sarap.
Baka ibigay sa iyo yan.
Sige na, ate. Ano pa ako? Galing pa ako Australia. Hindi na.
Di sabihin lang yun man, nagbabayad lang sa ano. Hindi kasi akin.
Ang sarap.
Ibigay ko ito, magkano kaya na to? 150. Sandali lang siya ma'am. Sabihin lang yun ma'am kasi nagbabayad lang.
Pinipilit ko ibigay yung sa may-ari na ibenta sa akin kasi sobrang sarap niya.
Hi ma'am.
Wala na. Kanina nandito ako. Sabi ko, babalik ako.
Bumili na kayo kasi minsan 10 lang. Minsan 10 lang.
Sige na, ate. Nasa na siya? Yung mga bata, pawis na yun. Wala pa yung may-ari. Hinihintay namin kung ibibigay ba sa akin yung
Mamelong ka?
wala. Ayan, sila na lang nag-decide kung ibibigay nila sa akin. So, yun, binenta rin sa akin. Oo, sige po. Thank you. Sige na, ilagay na lang dito ate sa loob. Nasa loob na lang i-ano.
Pwede siguro yan kasi.
Ilagay mo na lang sa loob. Ano mo na lang? I-ganon mo na lang ate.
Budbud ko na lang.
Oo. Kasi,
Sorry na lang doon ah.
it's alright.
Si ma'am kailangan.
Oo ate, minsan lang ako. Thank you po. Oo nga, kaso lang barya ate kanina. Hinintay ko yung asawa ko. Salamat. Apa, thank you. Salamat. Careful. Holly! Hi, baby! Hi! You're sweating. Ano, did you find any drink?
Nah, ito.
Bye-bye! We're done here. Dito kami sa isang mall. I-Avenue ang tawag sa may Makati. Naghanap kami ng travel agent para magpabook kami ng ticket papuntang Bicol 5 days. Five and 3. Let's see some. Come on. Para siyang tiyangge. Mga tiyanggian. Yes. No, that's US. This is the Paris. Holly. Get a ticket, Holly. Yes. Yeah, we got a ticket for Boys, come here. Ang Peppa na ito parang fan. Oh, here, Baba. Oh, okay. Ayun niya. 100 pesos. 120 siya. Natawaran kong 100. Oh, okay. Here. Choo! Inaantok na siya. Ang init kasi. Naiinitan na siya. Oh. Yes? I'm not sure. We ask Daddy.
Now you have to get a red Power Ranger for Sandra.
Yeah, we have to find something for Sandra.
But I want to make one too. Here comes Batman.
Yeah. This is your sobrang init. Okay, let's go back.
Dad, we bought a toy.
We are back now here in our room. Yes. And
Not cool.
I know. And we booked our ticket to Bicol. Right, Kuya? Yeah, so we're just having snacks. And yeah, I'm having this siomai. Siomai na may chili sauce. Henlin ang brand niya. Sarap. Sige, kain muna kami. Ito yung nabili ko sa ano ba yun? Yung market? Yung public market sa nakalimutan ko yung pangalan. Basta dun. Anin yun? Yeah, you can. And ito masarap to. Yung malunggay pesto nila na pwede, dito, ididip mo. Spread mo dito sa bread. Tapos, ito ang sarap nitong kutsintang toast ko yung si ate. Kasi sabi niya sa amo niya na raw to, o iuwi. Sabi ko, akin na lang kasi. Sabi ko, hindi naman ako taga rito. Sabi ko, so hindi ko na siya matitikman. So yun, binigay niya. Tapos, si Jan, binili niya tong banana bread. Masarap din to. So yun, tapos ito, pumunta kami kanina sa grocery store. Bumili kami nito. At saka, kung ano-ano pang mga snacks for the kids. So yun, mag-snacks muna kami. Yeah, Pringles. So yun, magkain muna kami. Ito yung tsura ng chili sauce. Tapos bumili rin pala ng siopaw. Isang bola-bola. At saka isang asado. Kinain na namin ni Holly yung bola-bola. So ito, asado to. So ayan. Kain muna ako. Tikman natin. Sus, ang tagal natin hindi nagkita, oy. Harap. Alam mo itong tinidor. Wait, Papa! Harap. Wait, Holly. Ayan o, ang sarap niya. Naubos ko siya. Busog na ako. Sobrang sarap. Ito, mamaya na lang. Makain ko na yung isa niya. Para mag-dessert ako. What are you two doing? What Holly's eating? What are you eating, Holly?